The human body is an energy vortex. Every second, you generate millions of new cells. Every second, your immune system patrols. Every second, your DNA replicates somewhere inside you. All of it requires fuel. Constant fuel. Massive fuel. And yet, your most critical biochemistry runs on almost nothing. Consider the mango. Mangifera indica, the most cultivated tropical fruit on the planet. A single serving delivers exactly 60 calories. That is almost nothing in metabolic terms. But what those 60 calories carry is not energy, it is instruction. The mango is not food, it is a delivery system, a precision payload of biochemical catalysts wrapped in fiber and water. By tracking how it moves through your body, you can see how complex human biology is actually engineered. Let's deconstruct it. Per 100 grams, the mango is mostly water. Then plant fiber, structural, low energy. There are almost no lipids, almost no proteins. The macronutrient profile is empty. The real value lives in a fractional sliver of the total mass, the active payload. Two compounds matter most. The first is ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Most people think vitamin C is a vague immunity booster. The biology is specific. Ascorbic acid physically accumulates inside one type of defensive cell, neutrophils, the most abundant white blood cell in your body, the first responders of the immune system. When a pathogen breaches your tissue, your body releases chemical signals. Neutrophils detect them. They begin moving. This directional movement is called chemokinesis. Ascorbic acid amplifies that movement. The neutrophils accelerate toward the threat with greater speed and precision. They converge. They surround the invader. Then comes phagocytosis. The neutrophil membrane stretches, warps, and envelops the pathogen completely. Inside that engulfment, the cell unleashes reactive oxygen species. The pathogen is dissolved. But this combat is expensive. Each attack rapidly depletes the neutrophil's ascorbic acid reserves. The supply is consumed during the kill. This is why immunity is not a one-time event. It is consumable ammunition. Without continuous resupply, your frontline cells go dark. The mango is one of those resupply lines.
Now move deeper, past the immune front line, into the nucleus of a cell. This is where the second payload arrives, folate. Folate is the engine of one-carbon metabolism, the foundational network that drives all cell growth in your body. Within this network, folate is not optional. It is a mandatory coenzyme. The chemical reactions that build DNA cannot proceed without it. This creates a bottleneck. Without folate, the synthesis of nucleic acids stalls. The DNA strands cannot complete. And without complete DNA, no cell is permitted to divide. That division is called mitosis. One cell becoming two, two becoming four, four becoming eight. The mathematics of human tissue. Every time it happens, your body must duplicate the entire genetic code from scratch. 3 billion base pairs, reproduced perfectly every time. The folate from the mango travels through your bloodstream, enters the nucleus, and catalyzes the chemical reactions that form those new DNA strands. Its presence unlocks the bottleneck. This exact unlocking happens millions of times per second across your body, in your skin, your gut lining, your bone marrow, your blood. Without it, replication stalls, repair stalls, growth stalls. Now pull back. Look at the full picture. On one side, a small 60-calorie block, almost nothing. On the other, a vast branching network, immune cells engaging pathogens, DNA strands replicating, tissues regenerating, all of it powered by what those 60 calories carry inside. This is the efficiency ratio, the metabolic optimization. Most foods deliver heavy calories and minimal instruction. The mango does the opposite. Low caloric cost, high biological command. Every component is doing structural work. Fiber for digestion, water for hydration, ascorbic acid for immune defense, folate for replication. When we describe mango as clean, bright nutrition, that is not a marketing phrase. Clean means a low-waste, highly efficient transfer of biological matter. Bright means rapid, potent cellular cascades ignited by its catalysts. Immense systemic effect, near-zero metabolic cost. This is what the mango actually is. Not a snack, not a sugar source. A precision biochemical instruction set, refined by millions of years of evolution, delivered in a 60-calorie package. This is why we open. This is what we reveal.